In this video, I'm going to show you how to write in Infinite Painter. Now to do this, you want to go to the top and you can see there's going to be three icons in the top right. Now the first one is going to be this one over here, and then what you have to do here is go to Create, and as you can see under Tools at the top, there's going to be the Text tool, okay? By default, you should be able to see it as the fourth tool over here on the right, but if it's not there, you can just go and scroll towards the right and find it from there. So I'm going to tap on Text over here, and as you can see, it's going to give you this kind of text field over here, and you can move it around by basically tapping it and dragging it around. And if you want to resize it, you can go through the corners and resize it like that. So tap on the corner on the edge where you can see that small resize icon. You can then go and basically resize it that way. Now if you want to edit your text to actually write, you simply have to double tap to edit, and there we go. You have to type in whatever. So I'm going to type in sample text for this tutorial, for example. There we go. And as you can see, when I do this, I can tap on the OK button and I have my own text. I can now go ahead and change it yet again. And down at the bottom, I can change the size by using this slider over here. I can go and change the font over here by tapping on font bottom left. I could go and change the color as well. I can change things like outlines if I want to add it. I can add formatting to it. And then last but not least, we have the spacing as well, okay? Now, if you go towards the right, you can also justify and to image over here if you wanna, but if you wanna start editing it, again at the bottom you have this icon to show the keyboard, which allows you to edit your text, okay? So that's essentially how to write in Infinite Painter. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.